Welcome back everyone to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make a lovely orange, ginger and lime, a little bit of apple cider vinegar and cinnamon juice. But first of all I will explain the nutrients and the health benefit of these. Like example, the honey. Honey is very good for stress, and it's good for respiratory diseases, and it's also good to build your immune system. It have anti-inflammatory properties that's help for those sort of things, and it's good for antibacterial also. So let me go to the lime, and I'll take you through the process also. So lime is full of vitamin C, full of antioxidants. Also, it's good for immune system and reduce heart disease risk. It's also good for kidney stone and very good for your skin. So this drink, you should drink it in the morning and midday, and then we'll go to the orange. So orange is good for cardiovascular disease, help to lower your blood sugar, full of vitamin C, a lot of antioxidant, and it's good to drink in the morning. This drink, you have nothing to lose, and everyone should try to have a glass of this in the morning, another glass then midday. So I'm gonna take you through the process. So ginger is good for your digestive system, and also gastroenteritis, and it's good for nausea, and also it helps to fight fatigue, and good for your immune system, also help to burn fat. So with all these combined, this is lime, orange, ginger, and I'm going to add a bit of cider vinegar, and then I'll take you through the process. Thing with cider vinegar, especially, it's organic. You want to get a good organic one, you know, like this, organic. You need to get one of this. This is very healthy. This thing helps to cut fat. Also help to stabilize your diet. Good for blood sugar, and it's good for weight loss, also good for diabetes. So I'm going to go ahead, start chopping these up. These, don't throw them away. You can use them to make tea. I'll make another video, show you how to make tea with these. Very healthy. I'm gonna put them in a container. And these, don't throw them away. These can make tea. You can use them to dry them, mix peel to put in cake. You'd be surprised. You can use this, blend these up to put in a lovely carrot cake or a orange sponge cake. For those who are watching the videos, my channel for the first time, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it helps the channel. And I thank you all for watching, and I appreciate all my viewers and my subscribers. So I put these in. going to add a bit of this apple cider vinegar. That's enough. I'm going to put some honey. This is real honey. Look at that. This is no joke. This is real, proper honey. So, about a teaspoon in this. Pour some water in. So that should be all right. And then I'm gonna blend. Now I'm going to strain it off. I'll use a different one that you can see properly. It's a bit better. So the juice is ready. So I'll pour it in this. You can see how rich this is. Very nice and smooth. Please remember to try this. Very healthy. You have nothing at all to lose. Nothing at all. This is 100% effective. And then I'm gonna put some cinnamon on the top. And there you have it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you all. Peace be unto you.